Today's phrase is got to. In natural American speech, got to almost always becomes gotta. So instead of saying, I've got to finish this, you'll hear, I gotta finish this. But here's the nuance. If someone wants to sound clearer or more formal, they'll pronounce the full got to. So remember, casual speech equals gotta, formal or careful speech equals got to.
Sheldon, sweetie, I know you're feeling insecure, but we've really got to go to sleep. You guys got to try this pool.
It was fate, but I never got to tell her.
Ian got to Isabel over the weekend and signed her.
We gotta get that exercise.
Now I've got somewhere really important to be, and you have got to get the hell out.
We've got to work to destabilize the patriarchal norms entrenched into a society that has caused so much gender inequality.
All of a sudden, this got to be a better place to be.
This is what it takes, bringing the fight to the champion, but you've got to be careful.
Danny, look, there's got to be some way we can work this thing out.
Well, somebody's got to play it.
That's what Becky wants, but she's got to be careful.
It's not important, but anyway, it got to where we weren't even hardly talking.
You've got to listen.
Well, you've got to figure out something there to keep you interested because you can't go to pastry school just for me, and I'm not going to not go to pastry school for you.
Baby, you and me gonna have to lay dead for a little while because I got to tend to my man's well-being.
Dad.
Got to record everything that bastard does.
Got to check for carbon monoxide leaks.
Oh, we gotta go.
We got to find it before it eggs.
You got to be able to wrestle.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Rollins has got to be careful.
Supposed to give you this as soon as I got to Melbourne.
There's got to be one or two extra guys there.
Yes, we got to do something right.
Oh, Ed Earl, I like a lot of things, but these afternoons with you have got to top the list.
Yeah.
I really got to start living now.
Your grandmama, your sister, ask any black woman who gotta stand and listen to your bullshit.
Somebody's going to be out there making...
Someone's got to chum the water.
She's always gotta wait till the last minute.
You have got to cut a corner.
For your own sake, you've got to tell me.
You got to be on your A game, though, for every call, all right?
You got to grow up with your mom and your dad.
Hey, man, it's about time we got to the beach here, man.
Yeah, really.
Drew has got to get the champ back into the ring here.